Hello everyone. Let's dive into the GATERON Magnetic Jade Pro keyboard switches. These switches are definitely something new and interesting in the world of custom keyboards. First off, the big thing here is the magnetic actuation. Instead of traditional metal leaves, these switches use magnets. GATERON uses rare earth permanent magnet materials and incorporates special precious metal casting, featuring strong magnetic remnants. This design promises increased durability and longevity, potentially lasting for millions of presses. No metal leaf, pins, optics, or other sensitive hardware that suffers from wear, tear, and particles. This survives the test of times and lasts millions of presses. Broke one? Just swap it out for a new one. These are linear switches, so you can expect a smooth, consistent key press with no tactile bump or click. GATERON is marketing these to DIY enthusiasts looking for satisfying typing experiences at an affordable price. The fact that these are pre-lubed from the factory is a huge plus. It saves time and effort and ensures a smoother typing experience right out of the box. The longer 20mm spring is also noteworthy. This likely contributes to a snappier, more responsive feel, which would be great for both gaming and typing. These switches are designed for magnetic gaming keyboards, and they use a normally open contact type. They're designed for PCB mounting and feature a linear actuator type made of plastic. Overall, the GATERON Magnetic Jade Pro switches seem like a solid option, especially if you're looking for something different from traditional mechanical switches. The magnetic actuation, pre-lube, and longer spring are all promising features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.